After watching this video, if this video is useful to you, then please subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to configure Sybase IQ server. We have installed Sybase IQ server in this folder or directory. These are the files available in installed directory. First, we have to set the environment variable source sybase.sh. Verify the variable by typing Sybase echo $Sybase. So, okay. Path has been set. Now, cd IQ icons 16_1. This is the 16_1 is the version. Source IQ. Now verify by running the command IQ dir 16. This is the IQ directory. Now go to demo directory. You have to create demo database by executing this script. See, mkiq demo.sh. mkiq demo.sh is the file name. This is the username. This is the password. Then press enter. Press Y for confirmation. Notice here, this is the connection string, and now it is creating IQ demo database. See, demo data created successfully. Also, notice here, these black color files has been created now. Now we are going to connect to the Sybase IQ server. Start_IQ is the command to start the Sybase IQ server. IQ demo.cfg is the configuration file and IQ demo.db is the database name. And press enter. It is starting Sybase IQ server. See, Sybase IQ server has been started successfully. Verify whether it started or not by running the command ps-eaf grep IQ demo. See, Sybase IQ server started and it's running fine. This is the process ID, this is the username. Now I have connected to Sybase IQ. Now I am going to shut down Sybase IQ server. Start engine. Enter. Now it's disconnected. Not connected means it's disconnected. Then control C. Now verify it's running or not by running the same command ps-eaf IQ demo. See, IQ demo database is not run. In this video, we have covered how to set the environment variables, then how to create IQ demo database, then we have started the Sybase IQ server using IQ demo database, then we have stopped the Sybase IQ server by using the command stop engine. In the next video, we will see how to connect to Sybase IQ server on Linux. For more updates, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.